Cottage shingle panels have a 3.5-inch side lap and require a set stagger pattern to limit any alignment issues. Install the first row across the roof. Second course is staggered by 13 inches. Third course is staggered by 3 inches. Fourth course is staggered by 10 inches. Fifth course is staggered by 18 inches. After the fifth course, repeat the pattern. The fastening pattern for cottage shingle uses 3 fasteners across the front nose downturn, 2 fasteners across the back top flange, and 1 fastener in the middle nose downturn of each panel. The fastening sequence shown is applicable to any location and ensures the panels stay correctly aligned. Fasten the bottom row panels through the top of the panel as shown, out of the main water channel of the panel. Top panel fastening is acceptable behind Boral steel, easy vents, and chimney or skylight details as necessary. Use Boral panel screws of sufficient length to penetrate the decking by 3/4 of an inch. Screws are coated with a corrosion-resistant coating and screw heads are colored to blend with the panels.